CCL director, Mr. Murthy, who is celebrating his birthday with his... And what an occasion, what a place to celebrate his birthday. They can celebrate the success of CCL as well. Man with a vision, and all of them have worked very hard to bring this property to the fans who have loved this. They've seen the film stars in action. They know now what they're capable of. They've done wonders for them on screen. They've enlightened their lives through their acting prowess. And now all the film stars, the actors, are playing their favorite sport.
It all started in 2003, and that's the history of CCL for you. It all started
four Telugu sides. They competed in a T20, first of its kind, in 2003. It started as a one-day tournament at the Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium. It turned out to be a huge success, and the organizers were so happy. They had all the film stars from the south, and the idea was of Mr. Vishnu, who's the managing director of CCL now. They had the politicians and the film stars those days in 2003. And finally, we have come to this stage where we are celebrating the success of CCL Season 2. It's all due to the vision and the dynamism of the CCL directors, especially Mr. Vishnu. They've brought in the brand ambassadors, they've got in the actors from all the film industry across India. Last season we only had 4 sides, but they have added 2 more sides this season, the Kerala Strikers and Bengal Tigers. So 6 sides played against each other, and we have almost reached the last leg. They played the last league game, qualified for the semi-final, but the other teams are still fighting hard to get into that semi-final stage.
game has been held up at the moment. Telugu Warriors, they'll be happy with the start they've got. In just 5 overs they've notched up 38 and they've lost 1 wicket, and that too was unnecessary of the run out. $113 more runs to win of just 90 deliveries, and they've got enough batting power to notch up those runs. They're keeping pace with the required. Adarsh and Tarun are at the crease. Adarsh is batting on 14 with 3 boundaries. It's been a terrific and electrifying start for their innings. Telugu Warriors, who restricted Chennai Rhinos to 151. It's all smiles and out there in the middle.
CCL Seasons 2 started with the curtain raiser, where we had stars from all the sides perform.
Our song is better than their song.
The only party till the cheerleaders are there.
We may not be a good team, but we are a very good looking team.
So that was the curtain raiser for CCL Season 2. So all the film stars in action, they walked the ramp. Then to answer some queries from the media.
Real the Hindi film industry. Salman Khan, Sohail Khan in action. So a lot of Bollywood actors, and so a lot of actors from different parts of the country.
That's the area that has become wet. The players are not very comfortable. Orders try and rectify it. So things are in order, and the game should resume shortly. So as the score is 38 for 1. Need 113 from 90 deliveries, the Telugu Warriors. Huge support for the Warriors. Red flags, more in numbers compared to the yellow ones of the Rhinos.
Finally, there is up a little bit because of a wet patch. A bit of a concern out there at short fine leg. The fielder was finding. Back to action now. The Telugu Warriors have had a terrific start. After 5 overs, they've got up to 38. A loss of 1 wicket, and that too came in a form of a run out. At the moment there is deep point in place, deep third man, no fielder on the boundary line on the leg side. But third man and deep point have gone back to the fence.
Adarsh has batted quite well, 14 of 16 for him. It's Vikrant who batted quite well for the Rhinos. They need some quick wickets here, the Rhinos, to apply more pressure on the Warriors. They have that depth in the batting lineup and that confidence. They've always preferred to chase. They're really happy doing that because they have the strength down the order also. Charan Teja, exceptional player. And they have Nand Kishore, all of them bat quite well down the order. This is such a gettable target for the Warriors. They're high on confidence.
All these players you just now mentioned, Sabha, have contributed for them being at the top of the table. They have already qualified for the semi-finals and they're looking solid and confident. Not just in their approach, but their energy level and enthusiasm on the ground as they're reflected into their cricket. And neatly played, called for a single, and that's close. That was a good throw by the fielder.
Good work by the fielder standing at square leg. Sharp throw, very hard throw. Straight keeper Ramanna. And Tarun was very slow to take that start. Now this is what happened. Played well but straight in the hands of the fielder. Ramanna who had to run into the gloves. And he's broken the stumps. Good work there. He slipped in the bargain but he's done the job. It's Tarun who'll have to walk back to the pavilion. And the decision from the third umpire on the big screen should... Oh yes, there it is, out in big bold red. That's the message here for Tarun. So they've lost the second wicket, the Warriors. It's 39 for 2.
Well, it's 2 and 2. Tarun has to go for 2. It's 39 for 2. Well, Charan is a new batsman in. Well, it was second wicket in a form of a run out again. Same as the first one. Not just Sava, the throw was good and accurate. The take by the keeper was exceptionally good. Oh, they're looking lively on the field. Chennai Rhinos. They've got 2 run-outs and their tails are up.
2 run-outs in this innings of Telugu Warriors. There's a good pick-up and throw. Straight into the gloves of Ramanna. Quite acrobatic in the end, but he kind of credit. Charan Teja has come out to bat. He's such an impact player. If he stays there for another 7 or 8 overs, he can win this game for the Warriors.
They've got some good players in the lineup. Adarsh looks good as a batsman. Charan Teja, as you said, a couple of overs of him, and he can take the game away from Chennai Rhinos. This time again it's played delightfully towards the point boundary, and they pick up a single. 6 overs, it's 41 for 2.